Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, Barefaced AF. No makeup, no moisturizer, no nothing. Just out of bed. It is 9:30, getting ready to start my day. I just thought I'd give you a tour of my apartment at the moment. The mess that is my apartment at the moment. So here you go. I got my stuff delivered yesterday afternoon at 1 o'clock. I will say the guys I used are called JIT Storage. I'll post a link to them, so if any of you are moving and you want a really good service, I mean, there is not a mark. I even packed, I'll show you, so hold on lads. Packed my glass little TV stand, as you can see. A bomb site has hit my which was a beautifully clean apartment. I even packed my glass. This thing is made 100% glass except for the legs going down the 4 little each side, just 2 each side. But the rest of it is all glass. There is not a scratch to be found on it. There is not a scratch on any of my stuff. It is wrapped up exactly the way I wrapped it. Even my chair was wrapped up in clear plastic. All my furniture was wrapped up to keep it all safe and protected. Now, this crowd, JIT Storage, they are not cheap by any standards, as in they're not as cheap as the man with the van. But then the man with the van does not shrink wrap all of your furniture and mind it for you. So although you are paying a little bit more than some people might be happy to, I think it's good value for money because I have all my stuff there and there's not a mark on any of it. So the guys you'll be dealing with, I'll post a phone number down below as well in the description box. If there is anybody looking for movers or storage, they charge to store everything for me, which is everything I own basically. I will have another skip here though, because I will have to chuck out my kitchen that's in at the moment and all the wooden floors throughout the entire flat. Because before anybody can do anything with them, well, clearly the wooden floors have to be gone. I was unpacking boxes last night, lads, and there's pressure on my nails. Thank God they're shellacked. So I've no makeup on this morning, so I look like an absolute shitbag. But that is about to change. I have my little makeup bag here with all of my makeup goodies in there. This is my daily makeup bag from now on. I was using the pink one, but the pink one's just not big enough. Shocking, isn't it, lads? Oh, hold on. I haven't hands to scratch myself. I'm trying to open a can with my bad hand. And, oh, motherfucker. No, I'll have to switch hands. Not enough strength in that hand to open a can of Red Bull. There we go. Done. With the good hand. Right, so I just thought I would come on and do this quick little video. So basically what happens if you use this crowd, and this is not a sponsored video at all. It's an honest video. Basically, I looked online when I was trying to find somewhere to store my stuff. I looked online and I came across JIT Storage. So I rang the phone number there and I spoke to a gentleman called Graeme. Lovely young man, sound as a pound. And he works with another lovely young man called Jonathan. And the two of them are really, really nice blokes, I have to say. They're lovely fellas. I'll show you my bedroom while I'm talking. You can see the bedroom is looking good. I have 2 tall boys. I have that much shit. And mind you, the big one is empty at the moment. The bed, 2 lockers, 1 each side, my wardrobe. And then this little guy here. And my favourite white guy that I used to store all my makeup is now going to be storing in the little baskets, hand towels in one, hand towels and washcloths, top and bottom, and then cleaning products all the way along. And I might even put my new Delft set in the bottom drawer just to keep it safe until my kitchen and my floors are in. Because my new Delft set is blush, and it might not be easy to get a second blush set if anything happens to it. So, and that's basically what happened. Is I rang the boys. They quoted me a price to take my furniture, my belongings, boxes, furniture, everything, and store it. And then collect it from Prosperous, store it for however long, and then deliver it and unpack it. And they really did unpack it, and they helped me organise that bedroom to a certain extent. Like they held the mattress out of the way, they split the two pair halves of the bed so I could hoover in between, and I could spray fabric conditioner and blah 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 blah. You know it yourself. Yeah, it's been in storage for 6 weeks. Anyway, my friends, that's the story so far. So the boys were very helpful. You pay, in my case, I paid half up front. So I paid for the collection and 2 weeks storage up front, which was fine. Then I rang them and I said, I'm going to need to store my stuff for a bit longer. How is fixed, lads? And Graeme was like, well, as long as you need, Amanda, there's no problem. It's €25 a week for storage. Now, the transport and the offload and unload, that is expensive, I will say. But, I mean, your stuff is minded in transport. And it's, you know, I mean, I'm glad I paid it, to be honest with you, because at least I had peace of mind. My goodness, I need my roots done soon. I had peace of mind with regards to my belongings. So they picked them up, brought them off, didn't have to worry about them. Messaged Graeme, asked them to, you know, deliver my stuff. They delivered it yesterday. They said it'd be here at 1 o'clock. The boys were here dead on 1 o'clock. They'll ring my phone at 1 o'clock to let them in through the gate. And there was 3 boys, and they were lovely. And took them about half an hour to pop everything in. Very nice chaps. Good service. Would highly recommend them, in all fairness. If I am ever, well, I won't ever be moving, but if I won the lotto on Friday and was getting my stone carpet in, I would pay the boys to take my stuff back out and put some of it back into storage. No problem. I would trust them 100% with every piece of furniture and every item I have. Yep. It's a good service. The boys are nice. And this is just my little sort of, it's not a rant, but it's just, fair's fair. If you get good service, why not plug them? Why not give them a good review, in the hopes that some people out there who watch my channel will see this and think to themselves, well, I'm moving house. Maybe I should at least get a quote off JIT Storage and Removals. Always worth getting a quote off the boys. Especially if I'm not sure exactly where their containers are. I'd never asked that question. But especially if you live not far away from them. Because I'm sure the less travelling they have to do, the less it will cost you. So, in fairness, lads, it's a good service. I would highly recommend. I'll put links, phone numbers, blah, 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 down below. So, if any of you are moving house in the foreseeable future or the near future, whatever, blah, 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 you can give Graeme a ring. Right, my friends, I am heading off now. I am going to pick out colours for the doors on my kitchen and my worktops. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to look at tiles. And I'm going to look at lino and curtains. I tell you, it's all go here, guys. So I will keep you updated. And, oh, there's a lovely flower in my sink, guys. Before I go, Isn't he lovely? My friend Olivia gave him to me last night. He's lovely. Really like him. I have him in the sink because I have water on him and there's holes at the bottom. So I just didn't want it dripping all over my floor. But he's in the sink. I will get another extra pot for him. But I'm going to leave him there for the moment. He's watered. That's it. I apologise for appearing on camera looking like an absolute shitbag. I may come back just for a minute to end this video looking like a human being. So I will talk to you as soon as I look like a human being. Now, my friends, I am back looking like a human being with makeup on. And the hair is down in its usual, just down. I haven't done anything with it yet. Brushed it. Had it tied back to do makeup. So this is my today's face. No lippy on. I might not wear any because you won't see it under the mask. Right, I'm going to go now and pick out my kitchen and my review stroke, whatever you want to call it, reference, whatever, for JIT Storage complete. Call the number below. Check out their website. ring him for a quote. You won't know what you're missing till you give it a go. Right, lads, I'm going to go. I've got to get my shit together. I will talk to you soon. This is the Jewel Pop palette by Kevin Aquan on the eyes. See you later, guys. Next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. This channel is for the over 40s because I am well over 40, getting near to 50. And I give tips and tricks for those over 40, reviews of products that the younger crowd are using and how they work for the over 40s and in how you can make them work for the over 40s. That's even more important. So lads, I will talk to you in my next video. Take care. God bless. Bye bye. Bye bye.